We'll see if I can splice these together tonight. Who knows? Okay, so factoring, continuing. I don't know where I stopped, but remember, the signs, we started with GCF, 3 within all 3. Okay, 3 into 18 got 6, 3 into 3 went 1, 3 into 36 is 12. Okay, so brought the 3 down, brought the 6x squared plus or minus x minus 12, right? There's a, sorry, hard to see that one. Minus 12, right? And then the second stage is bring this down, 2 parentheses, star variable. The star is the first coefficient, so you just bring that down. Okay? And then the variable. Okay? Now, that's the second stage. The third stage, right, is signs. I just bring this sign down, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Bring it down. Okay? And then the second sign tells me if they're the same or are they different. The second sign, if it's minus, if it's a difference, then they are different. Okay? If it's a plus, then that's a sum. They are the same. Okay? In this case, it's minus. So they are different. Okay? So we could actually plug that in as a difference, right? Now, I can't just plug these in here if I'm using the same color pin, right? I can plug them in here, but I can't just plug them in here. I need to rewrite it. If I'm using the same color pen or pencil, I need all these steps. Okay? And then I plug in 9, the biggest number, and 8. Because 9 and 8, remember the product is the first number times the last. That's 72. Product. And the sum is the middle number. 1. And this tells me what we're doing in the sum. Are we adding or are we subtracting? We're subtracting. So, 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 times 8 is 72. Boom. We got the two numbers at work. Okay? We plug those in, 9 and 8. Now we got the last step. Okay? The last step is the star cleanup. Alright. Star cleanup is really easy. This is my star, right? Now a 6 could be 6 and 1, right? You think of any other two numbers that make up 6? Multiply to be 6? That are factors of 6?
3 times 2.
Yeah. 3 times 2. Now when I look at these two, I need to look at one of them and go, what goes into 6 and 9? Does 6 go into 6 and 9? No. Alright, then I'll try this side. Does 6 go into 6 and 8? No? Okay, then that's not going to work. 6 and 1 won't work. So hopefully 3 and 2 will work. Does 3 go into 6 and 9? Yes. Does 2 go into 6 and 8? Yes. Okay? So this is that upside down division that I taught you. Okay? Upside down division. This helps learn this because it makes the higher level maths easier. This 3 just comes down. That's just always coming down, no matter what. That's always just coming down. 3 goes into 6 how many times? 3 goes into 9 how many times? 2 goes into 6. And 2 goes into 8. And that's factoring. Okay? That's factored. That's as hard as it gets. It doesn't get harder than that. I can't make it harder than that. If it's factorable, I can't make it harder than that. It only gets easier. Okay? 5-step method.